do you check in the pedestal?
Check for connection, see if the ground...
Remember, you open one of the windows in the pedestal, and you have hot bus bar, neutral bus bar, and ground bus bar. Okay, you analyze the short power cable, you analyze the pedestal, and now you enter in the boat. When you enter in the boat, what is the number one? What is the number one?
Examine the corrosion.
Yeah. What is the element that you need checked immediately you enter in the boat?
I would see the sinks.
Okay, before you enter in the boat, you can check the sinks. Okay, the sinks are in normal condition. A little eroded, that's normal.
The shore power connection on the boat, you check
The
that?
short, correct. Yeah. We finished with that, and now I enter in the boat.
Yeah, so you the panel, right?
Okay, go to the panel, AC panel and DC panel. Okay? Before I start with any analysis, I say to the captain or the engineer, the manager of the boat, my friends, I want that you turn off all the breakers, AC and DC. Everything off. Off. Okay. Pay attention. This is a good clamp for AC and DC. You see? For AC and DC. Yeah? This is an excellent clamp for AC and DC. Pay attention. In this moment, I saw 3 amps, 5 amps in the DC. And it's supposed that everything is off. And let me check the AC panel. Oh, in the ammeter I have 1 amp. Let me go to the ground cable in this boat. You remember that when I connect the shore power, immediately in the other side, inside of the boat, I have the green cable. After that is interrupted, and I have the galvanic isolator. Okay, I am going to check in that cable in the ground before enter in the galvanic isolator with this if I have a small current. With this, in the ground, 3.2 amps.
Oof.
It's a lot. You remember what is the minimum? In
1 million?
0.001.
Yeah.
If those bus bars are not connected with the bonding conductor, your bonding system is decorative. It's doing nothing. Doesn't matter if all the elements are connected to the bonding conductors. The bonding element, the bonding material, is not connected with the negative bus bar and the ground bus bar. The circle is not closed. The loop is not closed. Everybody follow me? Normally, the problem that I found that 90% of the boats is everything is perfect, but it's not connected with the negative and it's not connected with the ground. Finito.
So